Mm. Hi guys, welcome back to HTVRONT YouTube channel, guys. So look what I just like today, guys. You're gonna know we are not gonna be doing some tutorial video, and we're not gonna be doing some unboxing video either. That's right, guys. We are gonna be doing some hospitality cooking session using our HTVRONT 10 by 10 heat press. So let me introduce to you guys the materials and the tools we're gonna use today. First, guys, is our sandwich bread and our cheese and a couple eggs. The last one is a spoon and a fork. So now let me turn on this machine to heating up the temperature, and we can officially start the cooking session. So before I start the cooking session, let me remind you guys, so this video is only for fun. So if you have a heat press machine at your home, don't do it by yourself, okay? We are caring about your safety issues. So let's get started. Let me put a foil sheet on top of our HTVRONT heat press machine first, and turn on this machine, adjust temperature, and now we are waiting for the temperature to go up to our target temperature so we can cracking some eggs on top of this foil sheet. And now let's just wait and be patient. And now let's brush some oil on top of it. Okay, next let's get my egg ready. Let's get my egg ready. Let's see if the temperature is higher enough. Okay, it feels good, it feels good. So let me crack my egg. Okay guys, do you guys hear the sound? The machine is doing their work now. The machine is doing their work. Oh, already smells good. Okay, I think it's good now. So let's get these foil sheets away and also remove our heat press machine. Get our bread ready. Get our bread ready. And let's get our egg. Okay. I just get the egg on top of my bread. Now let's get a piece of cheese. Let's get a piece of cheese. And let me get another piece of bread to finish our egg sandwich. Here we go, our egg sandwich is ready, guys. I feel so hungry right now. I'm so hungry right now, and I can't wait to eat this. So let's eat this now. So good, guys. So I have finished eating this egg sandwich. It tastes very, very good, but let me remind you guys again, this video is only for fun. So if you have a heat press machine, don't do it at your home. And I hope you guys enjoy this funny video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!